How to fix Panasonic AC remote not working, easy DIY solutions. To fix a Panasonic AC remote, first, try fresh batteries and ensure clear line of sight. If that fails, reset the remote by removing batteries and holding any button for 10 seconds or pressing the tiny RC reset button. Then reset the AC unit by unplugging it for 5 minutes. If still not working, clean the IR sensors on both remote and AC, test the remote with a camera, and check for error codes on the AC display. Here are some basic checks and resets. Replace batteries. Install brand new batteries, ensuring correct polarity, plus or minus. Clear obstructions. Make sure nothing blocks the remote's infrared, IR, emitter or the AC's IR receiver. Test the remote signal. Point the remote at your smartphone camera. You should see a light flash on the screen when you press buttons if the remote works. Reset the remote. Remove batteries, press any button, like power, for 10 seconds, then reinsert batteries. Or, find the tiny RC reset hole on the remote and press it with a pin for a few seconds. Reset the AC unit. Turn off the AC at the breaker for 5 minutes, then turn it back on to reset the main board. Advanced troubleshooting. Clean sensors. Gently clean the IR emitter on the remote and the receiver on the indoor unit with a soft, dry cloth. Check for error codes. If the AC's display shows blinking lights, like the timer, press the check button on the remote, then use the timer buttons to find the error code. Unlock temperature. If stuck at a certain temp, e.g., 20 degrees Celsius, hold the down temperature button for 15 seconds to unlock. When to call a pro. If the remote still doesn't work after these steps, the remote itself might be broken, replace it, or the AC's main control board, IR receiver needs professional inspection.